This video shows how to have certified copies made in Victoria. A certified copy of an original document has been verified as being a true copy of the original. Different organisations may have their own requirements for certifying a copy. Check first before you follow this process. Certain people are authorised to make certified copies. A list of people who can certify copies of original documents can be found at justice.vic.gov.au. Bring both an original document and a copy of the original to the certifier. The certifier will examine the original to ensure it is not a copy or forgery. They will then examine the copy to ensure it is identical to the original. A copy can be considered identical even if it is a different size or colour, so long as that does not result in the loss of any material information. The certifier will then write or stamp the copy with the words "certified to be a true copy of the original seen by me," and sign and date the copy and write or stamp their name, personal or professional address and qualification. If there are multiple pages to the copy, the certifier will sign or initial and number all subsequent pages. The copy has now been certified. For more information, visit justice.vic.gov.au.